Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite someone to your WhatsApp group through QR code. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you will never miss another update from us. So to invite someone in your WhatsApp group through a QR code, firstly open up your WhatsApp application. Click on the message or chat group. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Group Info. Scroll all the way down and click on Invite via link. It will take you to the Invite link page. Tap on QR code option. Press on the Share option at the top right corner of the screen and select the person you want to send your QR code to. Now press on Allow button. The QR code of the group will be sent to the contact you want to. This is how you can invite someone to your WhatsApp group through QR code. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.